Got a missed call notification on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, but the phone app icon isn't showing the red dot or missed call badge? Here's how to fix it. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down to Home Screen. Now scroll down and find App Icon Badges. Open it up and make sure it's turned on. You can also choose whether you want to see a simple dot or the actual number of missed calls. But if it's still not working, press and hold the phone icon, and then tap the small info icon. Now tap Notifications, and make sure App Icon Badge is turned on for the phone app. Still not showing? Then let's do the deeper fix. While still on the app info screen, scroll to Storage. Then clear the cache and data and confirm it. This won't delete your contacts, but it can fix stuck notification issues. Once that's done, your missed call badge should start showing again. And that's it. Thanks.